Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, I am Asharul Islam Moin. Today I will be presenting about DevOps culture and CICD overview. In this session, I will talk about how DevOps started, why it's important, how it connects with CICD, and why modern software teams rely on it. At first, I will talk my part 1 or history and innovation of DevOps part. And my first topic is challenges before DevOps. Before DevOps existed, software development faced a lot of problems. Teams worked on silos, developers worked separately, and operations worked separately. This created communication gaps and delays. Releases were slow, deployment processes were manual, and because of that, failures were very common. There was very little collaboration, which made delivering high quality software much harder. And the next topic is influences leading to DevOps. DevOps did not appear suddenly, it was inspired by three major ideas. First, Agile, which focuses on iteration, teamwork, and frequent updates. Next, Lean, which encourages reducing waste and improving efficiency. Then lastly, system thinking, which teaches us to look at the whole workflow, not just one part of it. All these ideas combined created the mindset behind DevOps. Then key DevOps milestones. DevOps grew through several important events. In 2001, the Agile Manifesto changed how teams approached development. In 2009, the first DevOps Days conference took place and the movement grew rapidly. Between 2010 to 2015, CICD tools like Jenkins and GitLab became widely used. And today, cloud-native technologies, Kubernetes, and GitOps have pushed DevOps even further. Together, these milestones shaped DevOps into what it is today. Then the last is goals of DevOps. The main goals of DevOps are simple: to deliver software faster, improve collaboration between teams, increase automation, and ensure smoother, more reliable releases. Then the part 2 is different types of SDLC models. SDLC, or the software development lifecycle, defines how software is planned, built, tested, and delivered. Understanding SDLC models helps teams choose the best process for the type of project they are working on. DevOps and SDLC. DevOps is actually an evolution of Agile. It extends Agile by putting more emphasis on automation, continuous integration, and continuous delivery. Because of this, DevOps helps teams deliver features faster and more reliably. Then, SDLC model comparison. Here are some common SDLC models like Waterfall, which is simple and sequential but rigid. Then V model, which is validation at every stage. Iterative, it's repeated improvement cycles. Then Agile, it's flexible, customer-centric, and incremental. Then Spiral, it's risk-driven and suitable for complex projects. Then the last one is DevOps. It's automation, continuous delivery, and collaboration. Each model has its own strengths depending on the use case. Then the part 3 is DevOps principles. DevOps relies on several core principles. First one is collaboration and communication. It's breaking down silos. Then second one is automation. It's reducing manual tasks. Then continuous improvement is always learning and optimizing. Then measurement and monitoring, it's using data to guide decisions. Then customer centric mindset, it's prioritizing user needs. When a team follows these principles, they deliver better software more efficiently. Then the part 4 is real world example. Large companies around the world use DevOps successfully. For example, Amazon deploys thousands of small updates every day. Then Netflix uses heavy automation and chaos testing. Then Google release on advanced monitoring and automation. These examples show how DevOps helps teams operate at a massive scale. Then the part 5 is introduction to CICD. CICD is the practical implementation of DevOps. CI or continuous integration means developers frequently merge their code and run automated tests. CD or continuous delivery means automatically preparing builds for release and sometimes automatically deploying them to production. Together, CI/CD makes releases faster, safer, and more consistent. Then the benefits of CI/CD pipelines. CI/CD pipelines offer a lot of benefits like earlier bug detection, automated processes, faster time to work, reliable, repeatable builds, and continuous feedback. All of these help teams work more efficiently. Then the common CI/CD tools. Some popular tools used on CI/CD include Jenkins, GitLab CI, GitHub Actions, and ArgoCD. These tools automate testing, building, and deployment. Then the next part is CI/CD workflow. A CI/CD workflow usually follows this sequence. First one is code is committed, then next one is the system builds it, then the next one is automated tests are run, then the fourth is the application is deployed, and the last one is the system is monitored for performance issues. This end-to-end flow ensures that software is always in a deployable and stable state. Then the next slide is how CI/CD supports DevOps. CI/CD and DevOps are deeply connected. CI/CD reduces manual work, speeds up delivery, and ensures consistency. It also encourages teams to release small, safe, and updates frequently. This strengthens collaboration and supports the DevOps culture. Thank you for listening. If you have any question or want to explore any of these topics more deeply, you can feel free to ask me on comment box. Thank you so much.